Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Ford Explorer key fob. This is for years 2011 through 2015 for their smart key. So you may have one that has kind of a rounded key. This actually doesn't have a physical key to it at all, so it's just for unlocking and locking the car. And it's a really easy fob battery to change. So if you flip over on the back here, you can see there's a little latch, and you can pull this latch, and as you pull this, you can kind of remove, see this back here? So I push it down, this releases this backing here. It can be a little tricky, so sometimes if you maybe use something else to, like a finger to pull it, and then a little small screwdriver to separate the back, makes it a little bit easier here. Okay, so once you push this down, separate the back here, that'll pop off, and you can get access to the internal 2032 battery. So you need a CR2032. Pop this thing out, just get a small flathead screwdriver, is probably the easiest way. And the positive side in this case is facing down. So the positive side is the side with the lettering on the battery. So you can see this is a CR2032. And to pop a new one in, make sure the positive side, the lettering is that way. Make sure it gets in there correctly. You can see there's kind of these two prongs here. So make sure you get underneath those, and then that'll set in there. And then just go ahead and reattach the back here. And this thing will just kind of pop back together. And that's it. You've changed the battery on the Ford Explorer for 2011, 2015 smart key here. Again, this is a CR2032 battery.